This is question 3b from the 2023 Higher Engineering Science paper. Here we're given a force extension graph for a rope, and we're being asked to calculate the strain energy in the rope when it experiences a tensile force of 150 newtons. So the first thing we want to do is, on our force part of the graph, find our 150 newtons. Follow that along. You can always use a ruler if you like, to the trend line, and then come down to read off our extension, which here is 21 millimeters. So our extension is 21 millimeters, and we need to just convert that into meters because that's the standard for structures. So that will give us 0.021 meters. And the next thing we need is our strain energy equation, which we can find from our data booklet. So here, elastic strain energy, ES is half Fx. So that gives us half times 150 times 0.021. And that gives us 1.575 joules. Rounding that to two significant figures, 1.6 joules. Don't get caught out here by that extension. Make sure that you convert that into meters. And if you're ever not sure whether something should be in meters or millimeters, remember on this first page here, our quantity symbols and units. You can find that our symbol X is given the unit meter. So make sure to check that if you're not sure whether to work in meters or millimeters.